Hi folks, today I'll be teaching you how to draw an angle of 30 degrees. Now to draw an angle of 30 degrees, you should have constructed an angle of 60 degrees. Now this is an angle of 60 degrees. Now the next step, when you've drawn an angle of 60 degrees, the next thing is to bisect the angle of 60 degrees. So basically you put your compass at the center of the angle, then you open to the convenient radius, and then cut the two containing sides. So I'll cut the two containing sides. Now this first containing side, I've cut it at x, then the second containing sides, I've cut it at y. Now open your compass to any convenient radius, then put your compass at x, put it at x here, then cut an arc, then put your compass at y with the same radius and cut the first arc, so they will intersect. Now they've intersected at this point here. Now the last stage is to join the intersection through the center of the angle. So draw an intersection. So bravo, this angle here, from here to here, this angle is a 30 degree angle. So thank you for watching this episode.